In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website private. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor, which is where I am right now. From here, I want you to focus on the top left corner of the screen, which is where you will find the settings button right here. Click on it, and then I want you to look down a little bit until we find site password right here. So the way we're going to protect or private your Wix website will be through a password. That way, your website will be fully online, except only you or the password holders will have access to the contents of the website. So as you can see at the moment, your website is most likely set to everyone right here. And then what you want to do is click password holders, and then it's going to ask you to set a password for your website. Now, there's no restrictions right here or any requirements. You can do the password to whatever you want. I'm just going to write the word cool, and then I'm going to click on save, and then I'm going to publish the changes, and then I'm going to preview the website, or actually visit it live to see what it looks like. And as you can see, the website is now password protected, and in a sense it is fully private, meaning that only people with the password, so I'm going to enter it now, can access the website and its contents. So yeah, and as you can see, there you go, we are now in the website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to private your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.